Alright guys, we got the Subaru STI EJ25. We get the timing cover out. Here we go. This is that engine knock we had problem when I picked it up. I know it was knocking already. That's why I got a good deal picking this up. So we're gonna diagnose that engine knock. I read on the forum and videos online. People think that is the timing tensioner. This hydraulic one is shot. So we're gonna start it up. We got the battery. Let's go start the car. Well, it's better to put the crank sensor in so that we have sparks. There's not much vibration on that hydraulic tensioner. Let's go rub the engine. Let's see if we can hear the knock. Alright, that's good enough. So I put a pry bar, wedge it on the gas pedal to the seats so I could get the RPM on 2000 so I could hear that knock. And when I put this pry bar right here to transfer the vibration, there's nothing that I could get the knock here, but it's mostly on the block. So we know for sure now that it's in the block, not this tensioner. And you can see it's made in Japan, so you can tell that it's the original one. And this belt needs a new belt for sure. It looks like it's the original belt. It's cracking like that. So we'll be taking this whole engine apart, taking it out, and check the clutch pressure plate on this. Assuming that the guy said it's a brand new clutch aftermarket, so it's pretty stiff. It's a low engagement. When I slowly let go of the clutch, it engaged right away quick. So it's has a low engagement. Could be the pressure plate is a really stiff pressure plate on this, but we're gonna check it out. Let's see what brand they are. So make sure guys to stay tuned. We're gonna be trimming the whole engine out and then pull this whole engine out of the vehicle. So that will be the next video here. I'm slowly working on this while I'm working on the Chevy Cruze right there. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again on our next one.